Imagine this. You're in the movie Interstellar, where astronauts find themselves on a planet where time moves slower than on Earth. A single hour there equals 7 years here. Or think about Tenet, where characters fight in reverse while others move forward in time. Even Doctor Strange plays with time loops. Sounds wild, right? But what if I told you that in the real world, scientists have discovered something even stranger? Something called negative time. It's not just sci-fi anymore. It's real science. Stay tuned, because this discovery will blow your mind and might just redefine what we know about time itself. Let's start with the basics. Time, as we know it, moves forward. Seconds, minutes, hours. We wake up, go about our day and sleep. Simple, right? But what if time didn't behave this way in certain situations? Movies have shown us wild ideas of time bending, slowing, or even reversing, and now science is catching up. So, let's dive deeper into the concept of negative time. So, what exactly is negative time? Recently, researchers at the University of Toronto conducted an experiment involving light particles, called photons, and atoms. When light interacts with atoms, the photons are absorbed and later re-emitted. Normally, we'd measure how long the atoms stay in an excited state. But here's the twist. The measurement showed a negative time. It's as if the photons exited the atom before they even entered. How is that possible? To test this, scientists used lasers and a precisely controlled environment. Picture a high-tech light show in a lab filled with wires and devices. Daniela Angulo and Professor Ephraim Steinberg, the lead researchers, spent years perfecting these experiments. Here's a simpler analogy. Imagine cars entering a tunnel. Normally, cars enter at one end and exit at the other. But in this case, it's like the first car's exit time is 11:59 a.m., even though it entered at noon. This doesn't mean the car traveled back in time, but it challenges how we measure time in specific situations. In the quantum world, the world of super tiny particles, things don't work the way we're used to. Particles like photons behave unpredictably, following rules of probabilities rather than certainties. This doesn't mean time is running backward in a sci-fi sense. Instead, it's about how time is measured during these quantum interactions. It's a quirk of physics, not a loophole for time travel. So, why does this matter? Well, understanding these quantum quirks could lead to groundbreaking technologies. Think about quantum computers or new ways to harness energy. Negative time might not help us build a time machine, but it's unlocking secrets about the universe that could revolutionize science and technology. Imagine what could come next. The idea of negative time might sound like something out of Tenet or Interstellar, but it's real science. And it's just the beginning of what quantum physics has to teach us. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more mind-blowing science videos. Thanks for watching.